Alright guys, so now that we have a couple cars to go pick up, I'm going to go home, change my clothes, grab the truck and trailer and a few friends to help load up the cars, and get them home. So I'll see you at the Copart. Checked the fluids on this already. I can't remember. So we looked at so many different cars. Yeah, we're good. That's about it, really. Fluid's good. It's low. Oh, it's got enough. This one has a push start, I think. Show map, or where's the? Can you push this? Oh no, it's down here. Sweet. So what I'm going to do is move this one over there out of the way. And then we can go in and load up the Dodge.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds good.
All right. So there it is. 2016? Can't remember. Volkswagen Jetta. I think we might have gotten lucky. I think the frame is straight.
Is it?
Yeah, I think we won't know until I get the front end completely taken off, but looks like the upper radiator core support is in good shape. That's this.
A few moments later.
Once you sit in it, it's gonna
sink down
sink
below.
that door. Climb in from the passenger.
Are you? Yeah.
Yeah.
How you doing? All right, moment of truth.
Dead battery.
I just got here.
Where's the jump start kit? Where are we?
All right, here we go. Get the other window down. Are we good?
Yeah.
All right, sending it.
Good. Yeah.
All right, so we got both cars back home. The Jetta is delivered over at my friend's house, and we have the Avenger loaded out in the storage garage right now, where I'm storing it and the black Mustang until I get the bumper done on it. Here in a little while, I'm going to head over to my buddy's house, and we're going to work on the Jetta and get the bumper back on it. And of course, we'll have to order a taillight for that back passenger side, but we're going to see what parts we have and see how it all buttons up and go from there. So, okay, so we have a little crunchy going on right here. We'll put a paint peel. Yeah, so we definitely need to go in here and, I mean, we need to try to pound this out later.
Yeah.
But also, either way, we need to go in and throw some primer on this so you don't start getting rust back here. So other than that, that looks really good. So let's get the bumper back on there.
Do you have some primer? Should we throw some? Well, we want to clean it up first.
It doesn't really matter, right? To be honest with you. We need to clean it up first, though.
Okay.
So, all right. So we're just sanding down this smashed area so that we can throw some primer on it. Keep it from rusting. And we're not too concerned about fixing this right now. We'll kind of get everything back together, and then down the road we might pound it back out. Well, what do you think of your Copart experience so far?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. It's an interesting process. It's kind of like Christmas morning. You never know what you're going to get.
There you go.
All right. So we need a new bracket here, new taillight, the obvious stuff. All right, that's pretty clean. Grab some wax.
So what is this you're wiping on now?
This is wax and grease remover.
Cool.
Just make sure there's no contaminants on here before we throw some primer down so it actually sticks to the metal.
Yeah.
I don't have any self-etching primer left, so we'll just throw some filler primer on there for now. There we go. So we'll probably come back in here later and kind of clean it up better. Pretty sharp looking car though.
Yeah.
You can tell the quarter panels tweaked just a little.
Right.
But not enough to really care.
Yeah.
I mean, we could try to pull that out if we want to perfect it. But honestly, I don't think anyone ever noticed.
Right. They would notice, but who cares?
It's one of those things that you would notice just because you know it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
You have to get that side over there. Oh, come back here. There you go. There you go. Looks pretty good.
Yep.
It's not gonna be perfect.
Yeah, I can see it's.
guys, so here's our completed work from the other night. Just have to do the tail light. You can see the bumper lines up pretty good with the car. Got a little adjustment to do, but not too bad. All right, guys, behind me here we have the Avenger. I want to walk around it and show you the condition of it, and in the comment section, guys, let me know what you guys think about it. So obviously here in the front we have some damage. This is where the accident was. So we'll definitely need a new crash bar, radiator, condenser, typical stuff. Headlight is broken, so we need a new headlight. I think this headlight over here is okay. But overall, kind of take a look inside. Besides this stuff being pushed back here, it looks pretty good. Frame rails are right there, which as far as I can tell so far, they're straight. Take a look at this one over here. And it looks pretty straight to me. So, of course, we won't know for sure. Of course, we won't know for sure until we get in and start getting this front taken apart. But I think this is going to be an easy fix. Let's go ahead and walk around the side of the car. Now, one thing I did notice is this fender has a little bit of a crinkle right here. Of course, I did have to put the spare on here just to get it to roll around. The tire that was on here was completely flat and it had a huge crack in the side, so it wouldn't keep air. But the Avenger has 97,519 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. And it is clean, guys. I mean, of course, just a little bit of dirt and dust on the doors and stuff, but it is clean. No airbags deployed. Smells good. You can tell this car is well taken care of. And here's the back, nice and clean. So we won't have to spend a whole lot of time on detailing. Don't know what that is. You can even access the trunk through here. That's kind of cool. It's got a little cubby there, a little door that opens up so you can get in the trunk. That's neat. And let me show you guys the trunk. When I got the spare out, I found a bunch of goodies. So we have a couple of softball bats, a hat, some shoes, ice scraper. This right here is a first aid kit. It's got a bunch of gauze and bandages and all that good stuff. We got some work gloves, gardening gloves, brand new ones, never been used. Some cones. Some of the stuff I'll actually use. I don't need softball bats or anything, but and I think these are jumper cables if I remember right. Let me double check here. Try to do this with one hand. Yeah, so we got a new set of jumper cables. Looks like a broken golf club back there, but fun stuff. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you the next time on Casey's Garage.